Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are good. I hope everything's fine. And check this out. So we are in another farmhouse project, and this is you could say a very short, you could say landscape sort of a design video today. I mean, it's a very unplanned video, and I don't even know what am I doing, but it's fun, right? It's gonna be fun. You're gonna enjoy it. So this is the grass part, right? The grass area, the green color grass, and we'll try to we'll try to upgrade it a little bit. It's so boring, and so you could say there's nothing onto it, right? So let's try to upgrade this area a little bit. Let's do something using the massing sites and all these different things. So let's quickly go. Let's go to our level 1 right here. Let's go to the massing site. I mean, a very short landscape video or a landscape design video. Let's try to play around with the commands a little bit, and I hope you guys are gonna learn so many different things from this video, right? So all right. Let's try to just paste this right here, and okay, and okay. After that, let's just go to back to our 3D view, and let's grab that. Let's tab on this. Let's drag it to that point. Line is too short. Delete elements. That's fine. Delete elements. There was an element right here that got deleted. That's fine. After that, let's grab on this point right here. Let's go to copy. Let's go to paste on selected levels, and let's paste it on level number 2. Perfect. All right. So now let's grab on that the above. No, Control and Z. Let's grab the entire thing and a divide part, and let's divide it by what? By 75. Perfect. All right, let's grab on this point right here. Let's go to this, divide by 75. So excuse me, we have divided that. Now let's go to close active views. Let's go to new. So let's go to generate model adaptive. Let's go to paste a point. Let's go to paste on work plane. Let's go to 1 and 2. Let's press MD right here. Let's click on both of these points. Let's make them adaptive. Let's connect them. Let's change them into a reference line. Perfect. After that, let's grab a point. Let's go to paste on face. Let's paste the point right here. Let's go to circle right here. Let's go to set right here. Let's go to right here, and let's go for what, 2 inches. Element is too small on the screen. Fine. Okay. Let's go to circle again. Let's go to set right here. Let's circle and draw on work plane. Set. Let's set this, and if 2 inches is too small, 2 inches. What? Come on. So okay then, set. And let's try to zoom in a little bit. So set right here. Oh my god, we are wasting time. 3 inches. Okay, fine. 3. Okay, I don't know why Revit did not like my 2 inches idea. So let's go to the materials right here. Let's change this to LIGHT. And these are I'm trying to make these light tubes, right? These light bulbs, light tubes, and so this is it, right? This is our light bulb. Let's this is family number 1, and let's load family number 1 into our component number 1 into the project, and let's try to paste this in a zigzag manner. And okay, paste it. And there's another thing I forgot. So let's try to select the solid. You could say let's tab, select, and let's change this parameter into a controller parameter. This is going to be material material type, and okay. So okay, so the type 1, in type 1 the material is going to be a white glass. Okay, and in our type 2 the material is going to be a CHROME. It's going to be a chrome rod, sort of this steel rod. So type 1 and type 2, we have made 2 types. Now let's load it into the project. Let's overwrite. So this is type 1. Oh my god, that's fine. It didn't disappear, it's only not showing. That's fine. If you just simply click on 1, and yes, it would show. Okay, so that's just how it works. After that, let's click on that. So this is this is the you could say the light tubes, right? Look at how beautiful it has become. And now let's press CM, and this is family number 1, right? Let's go to family number 2, which is family number 1, family number 1, family number 2. So let's go back to this. What exactly have we done right here? This is family number 1, family number 2. Okay, And why are there two families? That's fine. Override the existing version. That's fine. It's gonna come back. Let's go to CM, and sometimes it just acts a bit different. So now you know, we need a, you could say, a steel rod, a steel tube. So this is it, right? Let's go to this, and let's go to paste. Yes, and here you go, and paste, and here you go. All right. And the other ones, I mean, they're gonna show. I don't know why they just disappeared. So let's go to family one, and if we paste one of them, they're gonna be back. Fine. So let's try to delete. You know, they're gonna be back. All right, that's just how it works. Sometimes the things does not show properly when you're changing between tabs, but those families, they are gonna be back. Anyways, you know, let's move on. So this is the first thing, right? Let's try to finish our mass. Okay, I told you it's gonna show, but once we make a small change onto it. So this is it. After that, let's go to architecture. Let's go to model in place. Let's go to generic models. Let's and you know what? Before this. So okay, what? Wait. Let's go to model in place. Let's go to generic models. Let's press OK right here. Let's press OK. Let's go to level 1 right here, and let's try to go to extrusion right here. Let's go to this point right here. And let's try to paste, you could say, 3 sitting areas. Alright, fine. And for the distance, let's try to go to 9 inches right here. And for the materials, let's try to go to CONCRETE, concrete, CONC. RETE. So let's press OK, and let's press OK, and perfect. All right, so let's try to finish the smaller right here. Let's go to massing inside. Let's go to replace mass right here. Let's press OK. So now let's click on the circle right here. Let's try to make a circle, make a circle. So you guys must be wondering, what are we gonna do next? 18 feet. So now let's click on the circle. Let's click on that selected divide path, and here you go. After that, let's close all inactive views, and let's go to new. Let's go to generic model adaptive, and let's click on that. So that has become the plane. Let's click on this point. Let's click on that, and let's rise this by what? By 10 feet. Fine. And let's go to header line. So we have risen that by 10 feet. Now let's go back to the 3D point. Let's go to the point right here. Let's go to paste on face right here. Let's click on this point right here. Let's go to circle right here. Let's go to set right here. Let's go to the circle. Let's paste on that. Let's click on that. Let's click on that. And what exactly is the diameter of the circle? Because I don't want them to be too fat. 2.5 inches. And let's click on that. Let's click on that. Let's click on this point, and here you go. After that, let's click on this entire thing right here. Let's go to this right here, and let's go to LIGHT, and all right. So let's click on this point. Let's go to this. Let's go to this. Let's go to this. All right. So this is what we have. Let's go to reference point right here. Let's go to what else? Let's go to circle right here, and this is it, right? Let's try to bring this right here. Let's go to this. Let's go to 3D frame. Let's click on that. Let's go to modify. So let's try to increase this a little bit, and now for the materials, let's go to this point right here. Let's go to create new materials. Let's rename this to mesh, and let's go to this point right here. Let's go to our appearance. Let's go to our metals right here, and all right, this one kind of looks nice, this golden mesh, and fine mesh. Let's press OK, and so this is family number 2. Let's close all inactive views. Let's load it back into our project number 1. And there's one thing we forgot. So paste, and back to our original family, and it has to be always vertical. Load it into the project level 1, and load it into the project level, project number 2. Let's do that again. Fine. Let's go back to our 3D view, and this is what we have. All right, now let's click on that, 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 and this is it. All right, so I mean, you know, you can play around as so many different ways of making these very quick landscape designs. If can we try to delete edit plane, we need sort of a an opening, tab, delete, perfect, and tab, delete, and perfect, tab, delete. So there are going to be a total of 3 openings, and here you go. Let's go to finish mask, and look at what you have done within minutes. And so you know, when I include the final renders, then you're gonna have a better idea of what exactly is happening around here. So next. Okay, and you know, although the video has become so long, but let's try to do one final thing before we end it. HH, and press HH. Let's hide all of these extra elements. So now let's try to make a parametric walkway right here, right? Let's go to the masking and tile. Let's go to thin place mask. Let's press OK. Let's go to level 1 right here, and let's go to the spine. Let's go to drawn work plane, and the work plane is going to be on level 1. And fine. And this is it, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 is done. Now let's go to the 3D view right here. So this is what you have made, and let's try to make a profile for this. This, and let's just delete it. So 1 and 2. I hope we do not encounter a problem, guys. 3, 4, otherwise we would have alright, so let's set this to our current view as home, and here you go. Alright, that's very good. We did not encounter any problems. I had this small doubt. After that, let's go to the divide profile. Perfect. And now let's try to divide everything, and this is what we have, right? So now we are simply, from this point it's not that hard, so let's grab on the top and 4 points. Let's go to new, let's go to this, let's go to generic model adaptive. It's very easy, nothing very hard, right? After that, let's go to the reference. Let's go to the points right here, point, paste it on face. Let's activate reference line, paste it on face. Let's go to activate 3D, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's click on MD. Let's click on these points. Let's okay, it does not want to perfect, make it adaptive, and make it adaptive. So this is point number what? Point number 1. That is going to be point number 2. That is going to be point number 3, and that one's going to be point number 4. Let's grab our profile. Let's paste it on the face. Let's paste it right here. Let's go to the circle. Let's go to the set. Let's set on this, and let's try to make it something like that. Let's click on this. Let's click on this point right here. Let's make our profile. Let's tab to select all. Let's go to this point right here. Let's go for BLUE, one of those aluminium shiny blues. So let's grab on this. Let's go to use rendered appearance. excuse me guys for my sore throat, oh my god. So let's paste it back to our project 1. So now this is the adaptive family that we made, and now let's go to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Perfect. So that's you know, if you concentrate on this video, guys, you know, there are like what, 50, 10, 20, 30 different concepts that I just used. Alright, and check this out, guys. So a little bit of fast forward and a little bit of working on the landscape. I think this is it, right? HR to bring everything back, and you know, I think this is more than enough. This is what we have made. I'm going to include the final rendered images and in the end, and then maybe we'll have a better idea of what we have just done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this. Alright, there are so many things that we did today, so many different concepts that we learned. So take care of yourself, have a good day, and bye bye.